Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Let's have a look at tiger's eye and its wonderful healing properties. What can it be used for? What are the places to source a really good high quality tiger's eye? So tiger's eye is a wonderful brown and gold crystal, and mostly it occurs in the brown color, and brown has been known to help with grounding. Any crystal that's colored brown is to help with grounding, to help in giving a comforting and centering energy, and it's also known to help with earthing as well. If you're familiar with the healing practice of earthing, you can also combine brown crystals such as smoky quartz, such as tiger's eye, to help with the earthing process, or helping you to ground your energies that way, but we'll get to that later on. Let's briefly have a look at the history of tiger's eye, as well as the formations. How is it formed? Well, tiger's eye is basically a variety of chalcedony, which is also a quartz that contains tiny micro crystals, and it's also made up of small brown and yellow fibers that's formed in layers, and it really helps to reflect the light, my apologies, in an unusual way. And apart from that, it's a wonderful stone to have. It can be abundantly found in Myanmar, India, Australia and South Africa. It has been used in medieval times, which is used as a wonderful protection against evil eye, or so it has been thought during the medieval times. So the wonderful healing properties of tiger's eye, it does come with its own warnings, unfortunately, but we'll get to that. The wonderful healing properties of tiger's eye is its ability to help with grounding, its ability to help with help with centering our energies as well. Helping with creativity is a wonderful thing that I've noticed myself when I do work with tiger's eye. It helps to bring ideas into reality. It helps with abundance. It basically, when you embark on a new path of expansion, or you want to expand your business, or you want to expand a particular thing that you're doing, your work, it helps to give stability and helps also with grounding. So you're focused on goal setting, you're focused on a particular course of action that you need to take, but at the same time it gives a relaxing, calming vibe as well. And it's really helpful for inducing sleep. It's also wonderful to be used on the solar plexus area, or the abdomen, because it gives off the ability to help to give off the balancing vibe, the harmonious vibe to our emotional and physical energies that way. Now, a little warning here that with some people, not everyone, using tiger's eye, you might notice an increase in headaches. You might notice some not heart palpitations, but like you do notice that you get more frustrated. Unfortunately, with some people that does occur, and I have noticed some wearers do complain of that, where they do feel frustrated, they do feel an increase in migraines or an increase in headaches when they are using tiger's eye. What I do advise in this case is, if you do notice any sort of physical symptoms associated with tiger's eye, then just let it go for a little bit. If you're wearing it every day, it's not advised to wear tiger's eye every day for the majority of people. Use it only when you intend to. Use it with intention, and use it, for example, if you have a specific goal in mind, such as helping with goal setting, or helping you to be more creative. Use it only during the times that you really need it, during the hours that you work in, or during a particular time when you are handling a task or a project, and you want that extra creative spark or extra focus as well. So that would be a wonderful alternative. Or otherwise, if you do continue to feel like it's not working for you, or if you have headaches, then please leave it aside and use a more gentle form of crystal, such as rose quartz, or you might want to look at lepidolite as well. It provides that comforting energy associated with that. So tiger's eye can be a bit too pushy with its energy, a bit too hyper focused. Some people do notice, but otherwise, if you do react well with tiger's eye, then it's a wonderful stone to use to help with abundance and to help with giving you the ability to focus as well on the task at hand. So if you've enjoyed today's video,